Hi, thanks for tuning in to this demo. What I'm going to show you today is the vision of Sherpa, where we're going to be early 2019, as well as some really neat and cool product features that are helping some of our customers. So what I'm showing you right now are our high fidelity mocks, and this is what the developers are working hard to create the software into being. So I'm going to sort of run through sort of the high level details of Sherpa as a whole. So the four main tenets to our software are going to be customers, orders, inventories, and financials. And on top of that, have really good dashboards and business intelligence. So what you're seeing right now is an overview of what some of the business owners as well as high-level employees in the organization are going to be able to see when they access the software. From there, you're going to have information about the customers, the orders, as well as all your inventory. Now I'm going to quickly jump in to our demo site today and to sort of show you some of our high-level features. And then we'll get back to our high fidelity mocks and I can sort of walk you through our typical customer workflow. So where I'm going to start is in the orders area. So typically most of our customers, everything with them starts in the sales orders, and then that's going to be tied into their inventory, shipping, and then synced to all their accounting and financials. So right here, this is where you're going to see all the orders that have been created. They can either be created internally in the system by adding to a new order, just like this, searching for a customer. And they're going to appear in the orders tab. Or some of our customers, such as Carnivora, what they do is they have a whole bunch of retailers that are now ordering online. They're doing that because it's super simple and easy, and it saves both companies a lot of time instead of faxing or emailing in orders. So they have their own unique login to the website, and now they're able to wholesale order any product they want, and they're going to go through a nice, sleek, seamless e-commerce experience. So back to the demo site. Another big part of our software is what we call the document generation. So a big problem that a lot of businesses face are the sales documents as well as the shipping documents associated with an order. So I'll quickly pull up an example of this. So let's go to Sidney Crosby. So this order went through at a certain date and time, but now what a company is going to need is shipping labels, invoices, bills of lading, etc. So from this order screen, this is where you're going to be able to manage all of these documents, and they're all pre-populated and generated. So for an example is a shipping label. Instead of creating this, it is now auto-generated with a simple click of the button. So this can be printed off and slapped right onto any kind of outbound shipment. You can do the exact same thing with invoices, shipping orders, your shipping manifest, for example. Pretty much any document that's associated with sales orders and shipping can be auto-generated in the system because we have access to all of that information through our CRM as well as those sales orders. Another big thing with the Sherpa software are the reports that we have access to. So because we handle your sales orders, your inventory, as well as your customer information, we have all the key data points that enable you to have great reports to see where you're at with your business. So these are some examples of some of the reports that you can run. So we'll start off with the sales order report. You can select when you want that report to happen in which quarter. We'll just do it for a predetermined amount of time. So you'll see all of our reports are in this grid view. And the really neat thing with this grid view is they're very customizable. You're able to go to a certain column and you can actually choose what data points you want to show. So for example, if you don't want the order items on there, you're now able to just see all the different orders with the customers. You can sort and filter by ascending, descending. And all these reports are customizable and they can be saved. So a business owner has lots of access to that data. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly jump back to our high fidelity mocks because this will give you a great workflow about how a company is going to use the Sherpa business management software. So from the customer portal, they're now going to be able to see all the orders, sales year to date, etc. By clicking the certain customer, they're now going to be able to see where the CRM is integrated. So for example, they can see the main points of contacts, the activities, and they can create an order from this screen as well. In here, this is sort of the same data that I showed you on the actual demo site, but now it is just put in a concise manner. And again, this is where you're going to add documents, and that is such a big part to a lot of these small businesses is their document management. The next is inventory, and so this is where you're going to be able to see all your different products, all your SKUs, how much quantities on hand, how many are on sales orders. A big thing of our software too is you're able to see when things are being low in quantity, so you can know whether you need to manufacture more or order new parts. Finally, then lastly is financials, and that is we're able to integrate into Sage, into QuickBooks, so we're going to be able to tie all your sales orders and inventory right into your accounting systems. So if I go back to the actual demo site, I sort of was able to go over our sales orders, and you can see right now we have our orders, our products, our customers, as well as our reports. I'll quickly jump to our products. And so this is where you're able to search for your products, as well as see any details on them. So if I go to manage products right here, you're able to see all your different products and their SKUs. If I click this, it's going to be linked right to that product for extra information. I'm able to see the quantity on hand. I'm able to all edit this information right in line. So this sort of gives you an example of where the software is working on today. We've changed a lot of our screens to be user-friendly like this. And then again, those high fidelity mocks is where the software is going to be in early 2019. I hope this gave a little bit of an information about the Sherpa software, what we're able to do all the way from sales orders to inventory management to shipping. And yeah, I'd love to give you more information if you're interested. Thanks.